unboxing the gift that we got on New Year. Let us show you what we got. As you can see, I got 3 collectible cars. So let me show you what type of cars are these. This is exotic car collection. Let me show you what cars I got. This is the Bentley Contextional Super Sports. This is a Rouge Exotic, and this is a Porsche Carrera GT.
This is my jewelry. It is simple, trendy, modern touch. There is lots of beads in here, and there's even some strings, some stickers, and you can make some jewelry here, and there's even rubber bands. Let us open our toys.
Unfortunately, I cannot open the box because the cars are screwed to the box. But I will show you the special features. On the cars, it has trunks and it makes noises. The doors also open and it makes some noises.
Let us open my box. This is like a circle, maybe it's for like designing. This is string. These are stickers. These are some string and some jewelries. And here is instructions. And this is the box. Let's open it. So awesome. And here we can put our jewelries.
I hope you guys like unboxing our gifts. I will make another video of making her jewelry. Happy New Year once again.
Bye.
Bye.